Today we are talking about the geography lesson and another chapter of geography, that is natural vegetation of India. Natural vegetation, from the word you can very well understand the vegetation which are growing naturally. There is no human interference. When we are talking about natural vegetation, there should be two terms, and they are flora and fauna. Flora talks about the plant kingdom and the fauna talks about the animals. In natural vegetation, we are including another part, that is wildlife. Here, India is being divided into various portions. But before going into that, I would like to say there are various factors which are affecting the natural vegetation. So the point should be factors affecting natural vegetation. And there are various factors which are affecting the natural vegetation of any region. The first is relief. How relief is affecting the natural vegetation? The first will be the land type. If it is a hill slope, then the plants will be different, the vegetation structure will be different. If it is plain region, then the vegetation structure will be different from the hill slopes. Next is soil type. How soil type is affecting the natural vegetation? If the soil is of a hilly region, then it will be different of natural vegetation. In this way, it is affecting. Next point is climate. Now, when we are talking about climate, there comes 2 points, that is temperature and sunlight. Temperature, where the temperature is high, that means sunlight is falling maximum, so the natural vegetation will be different. When the temperature is very less, there will be very less temperature, so the natural vegetation will be different. These are the factors which are affecting natural vegetation. Next, another point we can include, and that is precipitation. Precipitation affects the vegetation structure a lot. We know that where the rainfall is maximum, there will be more trees than the less rainfall areas, right? So, this is done. Next, we will move on to another portion which is important enough, and they are the types of natural vegetation. Now, India is being divided into various natural vegetation types. There are mainly 5 types of natural vegetation. We will read about each of them. The first one is tropical evergreen forest. The next one is tropical deciduous forest. The third one is tropical thorn forest or desert forest. The fourth one is montane forest or mountain forests. The fifth one is mangrove forest or deltaic forest. I am repeating again: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, montane forest and mangrove forest. Tropical evergreen forest, that from the name you can very well understand that here the trees are completely green, so the rainfall should be high. Next is tropical deciduous. It is mostly we can found in the monsoon regions. Next is tropical thorn forest or desert forest. It is situated in desert areas. Montane forest or mountain forest, mostly found in the mountainous regions. And the last one is mangrove forest, that we can get in coastal areas. So, in the next class, we will read about each of them. This is all about today. Thank you, students.